I'm going to do a video showing the changes in my skin from the different things that I am trying. However, you may have noticed that I am on a weight loss journey. For me, and maybe you, that is also brings with it worries and concern about what is that going to do to our skin when you lose fat. Your face, you got to worry about that. Loose and sagging skin, wrinkles, and to look good or to look great, you need a good canvas. Anybody that's an artist knows that. And I'm late to that game, to be honest with you. I did not take care of my skin when I was younger. I should have been watching YouTube, but I'm not entirely sure there was YouTube when I was 40. So anyway, I'd love it if you would join me on my journey and share your suggestions and your tips with all of us mature ladies, and come along as I pull out all the stops to lose my butt and save my face. Hello, it's Marjorie. Here's an update on my face. So I've got to get ready with me. That's right after this, but I wanted to talk about my skincare regimen that I'm trying to do religiously and consistently to see what one can do when you just kind of haven't really been taking good care of your skin most of your life. Basically wore eye makeup and lipstick. But now my skin is looking like, hey, you're 72 now. Okay, so my glasses on, tell you what I've been doing with my skin. You all know, like I told you, that I have been, the 5 areas that I'm working on are the large pores, and I have been using the niacinamide, and I've also been using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty, which is a new, I don't think it's new, but it's new to me, and it's a product that I put around before I put on my makeup. And I tried the new Neutrogena Healthy Skin, which is light, because I'm really not wanting to wear heavy makeup that settles into my pores. And I heard Angie Hot and Flashy, and oh, let's see, who else? Just a lot of the Hooded Lid, I think she was trying it. I don't know for sure. I'll type in some names and let you know who else was doing a review, and I thought, I'm gonna try it. Oh, Beth, the red dry patches, I don't know if you can see them. I still have the red spots and I still have discoloration. I am using the Retin-A as usual. Let's see, it's Trenton Owen. I just get it from a Canadian pharmacy online. And I use vitamin C. I usually use Timeless at night. I've been using my infrared light every other day, and I meditate for 10 minutes while I use it. Then also, and I do think my skin looks better after I've used it too. And I don't know, yeah, down to the JOWLS, which you can see there, unfortunately, still there. But I think expecting a miracle in 1 month is asking a lot. So I'm gonna see what I look like at the end of a year. I'm using the Nuface, and I'm using the gel primer that comes with it. In the past, I have done derma rolling. I have Jen Amber's derma roller, which is the real deal. And I think I should have stuck with the derma roller, and I'm gonna use that. But I also got the Dr. Pin because it has a nano attachment, which literally goes around, it makes your face red while you're doing it, but you put on your favorite serum, whatever it is, vitamin C, whatever serum you're using, a little nano thing, and it kind of like pounces it into your skin. Your face looks red afterwards, but it really gets it in there, but it doesn't actually break the skin. So I'm gonna practice with the nano attachments before I try the actual Dr. Pin, which actually is little needles that go into your skin. So, long story about that, but I'm excited. Can't wait to see how that works. And now I have a very special thing to ask all of you, especially you ladies in the beauty community, because I'm sure that you know her. I don't know if this is okay for me to mention, but I got a message from her the other day that said, prayers, please. It was very short, it was just one line. It said, prayers, lung cancer. And that is our dear, sweet Miss Loretta, who has commented for the entire 10 years. Yes, I've had a YouTube channel 10 years, and I didn't do anything with it the first probably 5 years. Then I started on keto and I lost a bunch of weight and went crazy. And lo and behold, Mrs. Loretta was still there commenting and being supportive. And she's so wonderful. And I have been praying without ceasing for her. And so every morning when I'm meditating, I'm saying prayers for Miss Loretta, and I'm just asking that you all do the same. So anyway, or send her good juju if that's what you do. This is my update, and I am hoping that you won't get tired of looking at this face that doesn't look like it's making very many changes. But like I said, 1 month is not enough. I'm going to make a diligent attempt to come on at the first of every month and show you what's happening. And we can compare January to December and see. So thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, I appreciate it so much. I'm gonna do a get ready with me. I'm gonna try and keep it quick. I've already applied this e.l.f. Poreless Putty. It's just like that. And I just heard, you know, large pores is one of my issues. So I thought I would try that. So I already put some on. Now I'm gonna try this, which is Neutrogena Healthy Skin Anti-Aging Perfector. This is Fair to Light. And I put this on the other day and I really liked it. So I'm gonna put some on my hand right here. It seemed to go a long way. I'm using the new theory that I've heard lately when I'm watching the beauty gals that, you know, too much makeup settles in and makes us actually look older. So I'm just going to put this on all over the place and dabs, and then I'm going to take my brush. This is, oh, it's Profusion brush. And I'm going to, let's see, if I hold this one up, I can see you a little bit better. Let's see what it's looking like. This is my Can't Live Without Studio Zone little makeup mirror. I have a bigger one that sits on the table, but this one is so nice because it's actually a little bit better. I actually go a little bit over the eyelids too. So I actually loved this. I wore it when I went to the dentist yesterday thinking light makeup would be good in case I end up getting, you know, you get grungy at the dentist. Well, not grungy, but you know, they splatter and all of that when they're cleaning your teeth. So anyway, so I think that looks pretty good. I don't see any, oh, there's a little piece of dry skin from the Retin-A peeling. A little bit more right there. Okay, you can always see them when you're the person watching and not the person doing. So that seems to work pretty well for me. Oh, and I have a little dab left on my hand, so I always take that and go over the middle, my little red spots. Okay, all right. The next thing I'm going to do is, I think my eyes. Yeah, just my eyes. I'm not doing a lot of makeup today. So what I'm gonna do is, this is Le Crayon Kohl Black Lapis. And this is this Lancome? Yes, this is Lancome. I love this pencil. I have used this pencil literally for years. It's blue. It almost looks black, but it's a black blue. And I have blue eyes. So I have worn this and gotten compliments through the years. It's probably a little colorful for an old lady, but hey, I just love the way it looks on my eyes. and I seem to get lots of compliments, and it's a creamy pencil. So anyway, makes my eyes stand out more, makes the whites look a little bit whiter because of the dark blue. I always use e.l.f. I bend the little spoolie so I can, you know, brush my eyebrows up. I've already done my eyebrows. This color is, it's taupe. Okay, then the only other thing I have, oh well, no, I'm actually gonna put a teeny dab of my really crummy little, I have lots of eye palettes, but this one is so little, and I just tap a little bit of the dark brown right there, the one that's in the center, above my crease, and then a little bit of the pretty, what is that called? Eggshell, maybe? I don't know. It's a very pretty, kind of a peachy color. Since I'm wearing a peachy color today for my interesting excursion. I'm going out to pick up my groceries at Walmart. I have them delivered sometimes, but I feel like such a slouch if I just don't even want to go get in the car and go pick them up. So it's helping me stay on my diet, staying out of the grocery store. No, what do you call them? Impulse. No impulse purchases. Okay, now remember, I'm not doing the Vitalash and all that, or Revitalash, because it irritates my eyes, which, by the way, I am using Lumify now, and that helps a lot. I love this voluminous L'Oreal Voluminous Base Primer for your eyelashes. You put this on. I should bend this one. Don't know why I haven't. And you just let this dry. So that's great. And I think I will bend it right now, actually. Just put it in, give it a bend, and look at that. So much easier to put on. There we go. That one's all done. Then I take, these are my two favorites, Voluminous Original, or my new favorite, False Lash Effect Lash Princess. So I'm going to do something I don't normally like to do, but I'm going to put some of the Voluminous on one eye and the Lash Princess on the other eye. Let me see if it has dried enough. I think it might be. Let me see. Here we go. We'll put the Voluminous on this eye. I do have little, little tiny there. Okay. I do like Voluminous. It is so nice. Okay. There's that. Okay. And then this is Lash Princess, and this will be on the other eye. Let's see how it does. I'm going to be in trouble if they look exactly the same. Well, actually, that might be good since I have to go out. All right, let's see how it comes out. Wow. I have been using Lash Princess, but I actually almost think I might like, I don't know, it might be a tie. I think it's a tie. Okay, let's see. I'm going to put on some lipstick. My good old favorite 165 Tickled Pink. I think it's L'Oreal. And this is a throwback from when I was a beach-loving young girl in Southern California. And this is Buxom. And what is this one called? White Russian. White Russian. An oldie but a goodie. And I love this. Like I said, I'm going with a natural look today. Oh, you can always feel this when it's on your lips because it's kind of a, and it's, let me see if I can hold it the correct way. White Russian. There you go. So what else is there? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. I so appreciate your comments. And if you like these kind of videos or keto videos, please subscribe, ring the little bell, and you'll be notified when I update or upload any of my new eating videos. I like to go out to eat, so I will show you what you can order in a restaurant that's healthy. Keto for me is not just about losing weight, by the way, it's also about increasing my health. I talk about that a bit once in a while too. One of my big fears is dementia, and it should be everybody's big fear, because what's the point of living long if we don't remember who we are? So anyway, thanks again. See you next month about my face. Bye now. Iris Apfel, Musings of a Geriatric Starlet. I just got this book. I found it on eBay. There's occasionally one around, and I have to read this to you because I love it. I love it. I love it. There's nothing wrong with wrinkles. Okay, I'm gonna read it. When you're older, trying to look years younger is foolish, and you're not fooling anyone. When you're 75 and you get a facelift, nobody's gonna think you're 30. If you have an abnormality, or you were born with a nose like Pinocchio, or if you've been in an accident, God forbid, a plastic surgeon is a blessing. But to go get work done, or get injections, or to try to make yourself look a few years younger, that's stupid. And the results aren't permanent either, not to mention the fact that something could go wrong. You could end up looking like one of Picasso's Cubist portraits. Once again, there's nothing wrong with wrinkles. So keep a sense of humor. I'm perfectly happy with myself if this face if this face never gets any better and this is what I look like, if I can keep it from getting worse, I'm good. How about you, baby?